Good morning, legends, and welcome back to another video, and thanks for pressing play on this one. As you can see, those in the know will know, we're back down here, Dernet Water, just behind us here, Keswick's just up there, Skiddaw, Cat Bells, Grisdale Pike. You can see all the big bays knocking about around here. What a stunning view, mate, what a stunning view. But today we're taking on the Central Fells. So what I'll do is I'll overlap some footage now and write on where we've parked, the way we came in, and all that information. So you're watching it now. So yeah, we're on another National Trust car park. So obviously, National Trust member, it's not cost me anything today. I pay for that monthly. Or you could pay annually. But we're doing the Central Fells. Now this is a 6 Wainwright route on the Walking Englishman's website. I've cut it down to 5 today because Raven Crag is on the route and it's a bit of a way out the way. So I'm going to do that on its own as a wild camp at some point. So I've took it off this route. So today's route, instead of being 6, will be 5 Wainwrights, and I'll put them on the screen already, which 5 we're doing. I'm hoping this will take us about between 5 and 6 hours. It's very windy today, boggy, so we've got the microphone on. I hope that's doing well, and we'll bring you back at points in the first walk up. So Waller Crag's our first port of call. We'll bring you back there, legends. Woo! So there we go, legends. 379 Waller Crag for the first time. I think that takes me to about 125. Now the GPS is giving about 3 higher points here, so we've been on them all, and we're going to go over to this one where the GPS is actually saying it is, and we'll give it a donk there. But we've been on all of them, legends, so it should be fine. But look at it, mate, stunning. So we're donking here, donk, 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 and there we go. Waller Crag, beautiful. But on to the next, let's head off. Up there is where we've just come from. You come back on yourself to the fork in the road where we came up earlier, but you take this route across the fells and up. Sorry about that, legends, I forgot to direct you from that last one. I got chatting to a nice couple in the sun, and we're taking some photos for him. The son only had 4 Wainwrights to go, and the couple they'd done them many times, so hopefully he gets that boxed off his 4 soon, and he's ticked them all off, which is cool. But yeah, we've got this Bleaberry, I'll have a look in a second. That's us next. So we'll bring you what we see. Right, Waller Crag down there, that's where we've come from. You can see in the distance Dodd, and this obviously above the Skiddaw. So we've come along this path, we're going to go up this path and then up bang, Bleaberry. So we'll get up there and we'll bring you back. There we are, 590 metres, Bleaberry Fell. It's saying this here, donk 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 donk, is the peak, but I'm going to go and stand on these rocks here because this looks cooler. Donk 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 donk. I touch, as always, I'll touch everything on top, but that's what it is. The way up was super steep. I'll overlay some footage now of the walk up. Was a nice path going up with some steps, some lovely views, obviously, of what we've seen before. But yeah, it was really steep in places. You're going up from, say, 350 metres to nearly 600 metres, aren't you? So it is quite a bit of an ascent, but it's worth it when you get views like this, legends. Let's give you the 360 from here. Oh my God, did you see that flyby? Flyby for the YouTube channel, Walking Wild Camping UK Flyby. That was amazing. How close was that? Woohoo! Right, look at these views. Oh, what a time to be alive, mate. Unbelievable. Dodgy bodger. It's absolutely Adam Bogdan. So yeah, in between these two, up to high seat, it's super boggy. There is like stone pathways in places, but then there's big sections of bog as well. So obviously last week it was super snowy and icy up here, and this week it's rained all week, melted the snow and ice. And also the rain on top of that, the place is saturated. Coming up, the path in places was just like a little stream. So very boggy route anyway, I believe, and even more so today. But we've got the waterproof socks, we've got the Gore-Tex boots, we've got the gaiters, so we're protected. But here, this is what we're looking at. Well, we're off to there. Bit of a steep one. It's windy as well. Woo! There it is. Not far now, people. Oh, the wind! Whoa! Woo! right behind us here, high seat, 609 meters. I think that's 126 for me. We're going to get behind here. It must be 60-mile-an-hour gusts up there easy. It's blowing you off your feet. So we're going to get behind here, quick brewing a sandwich, then we'll crack on to the next three, or the next two. But what a day, what a day. Woo! Beautiful. Little peak check. It's a bit blustery up here if you can't hear me, but right there, Helvellyn in the middle there, Catsy Cam. So, you know, dolly wagging pike down there and seat sandal over there. So over that direction, the top of that's the Langdales, which is cool. Over here, Blencathra and Skiddaw. Oh, what a day. Right, legends, so it's this way next, down the path to High Tov. We'll bring you back along the way. Right, legends, so what I'm saying here is, after High Seat, you come over to the fence, jump over the sty and head towards the stone path, but it was just far too windy at the time to say it. Oh, yeah, but look at this. Right, and same again here, legends. I did record a little piece and I even had the microphone with the dead cat on, but the wind is absolutely howling. So I'm just going to do this voiceover. So this path is pretty awesome. Look at the water surrounding it. Without this path, it'd not be passable. So big up to, you know, whoever gets these paths put in, because they're just phenomenal. And it made the day so much easier and more enjoyable. So yeah, this path was class. Put the sticks away and got our heads down and did a good bit of walking here. Hey, we're out here doing a bit. The path ran out for a moment and it became absolutely brutal, but it seems like the stone path is returned now, but that was barking then. Let's get back on the path. Woo! Look at this. Whee! Oh.
Yeah, because we're doing a circle to come back that way, don't we?
So, this is down as High Tov. High Tov. I'll put it on how high it is now. Donk, 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 donk. Oh. We've done this, so now we're heading to over here and then up Armour Fell. So we're going to crack on, legends. Hey, Armour Fell, 475 meters. Oh, this is the highest point in the area. There is one that says it's over an Armour Fell peak top there, but this is higher than that. So we're going to dunk this off anyway. So dunk, 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 dunk. Oh, hey, give me the 360. Doo-doo-doo. Right, legends, that's the one we just stood on, but my OCD wouldn't let me not come and stand on this because this was marked off as being the top as well. So donk, 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 donk. Oh. Andy just fell in there, up to waist. Right, we're going to head back over to High Tov, and then we're going to make a decision on the way we're going to go back in. Right, we're going to go back the way we come, we're going to take a new route, but ooh, it's windy, mate. Andy fell in that water. So this is where we were before, legends. It's blowing a gale again. So we've been to there and over to that one. Back to this. Now we're going to go through that gate. Instead of going back up, we're going to go through this gate down the hill and then do a bit of road walking, just to have a bit of a different path, legends. So that to there and back and up here is the boggiest of Boggingtons. It's the boggiest route I've ever been on. But yeah, let's go over to where Andy is now. Andy fell in a bog. Andy bogged down. And let's get down off this hill. 5 Wainwright's in the bag. 60% through now at 129. Woohoo! Oh, some stunning light, legends. Some stunning light. But on we pop down this bogfest. It's just been an absolute bog down festival. Oh yeah, nice little path going down. So we're going to go down here, and I'm going to hook in a right and the path along back to the car. But oh mate, it's nice here. That sheep's lost, mate. He needs to be down there with his chums. Mate, it's down here. Follow us down, lad. You just come through that gate. It's less boggy now, so that's good. Let's get on these steps. Woo! Right, so is Travis parking it down here. Travis Parker. Bosh. We come down here, down this path. It's all pretty. Lovely, lovely. There's like a farm and a big body of water. All these little sheep are here. His mate's up there, mate. Lost us. Didn't follow us though, mate. And then down here, and we're going to cross through that gate to the road, and then along the road back to the car. Look at it, Bridgepond, mate. Woo! Bridgepond. And it way. Look at it. Stunning arcade. Oh. Absolute animal, look at him. Absolute animal. Surprise view. Stop it. What a beauty. So here we are, legends. Just come back down here and back to where it all started 7 hours ago. Thank God. Right, legends. That's another one in the bag. The Northern Central Fells. Central Northern Fells. Whichever way you want to put it. I'm going to say Central Northern Fells. Another 5 Wainwright's in the bag anyway. And another great day's hiking. More clear skies. More beautiful views. So I'll put the Strava here. That's the map. And that's the time that it took. So I'll leave a link in the description to my Strava, and what I'll do is I'll try and download a GPX to the description of the route that we took, because someone did say in the comments last time that they wanted a bit more detail about the routes and stuff. So I'll put the route in the description. So legends, what an absolutely epic adventure we had again today. Another 5 Wainwright's taking us up now to 129, which is 60% of the Wainwright's completed. As always, legends, get out in the fells, leave no trace, right? Memories, not mess. Be kind, and I'll see you in the next one.